What's up, dude? Hi, these are Gil and Neil from NoviSign, and today we're going to show you a demonstration of a touch kiosk. This is a signboard by iAdea. The model is called XDS2288. So, let's see how this kiosk works in the education sector. Let's take a look.
So now what we can see is the home page of the school. You see the header, you see the time and date, you see all the rolling information that they want to broadcast to the places around the schools. Nice images are rotating in a slideshow, and here I have a few touch options. If I want to go and see the sports and schedule, all what I need to do is a simple click, and I see all the coming schedule of the schools and sport events. A little bit about the Hall of Fame. Clicking on the Hall of Fame, what will open is the creative with the Hall of Fame. I can see the relevant information, and if I have more information I can put another button for next. Learning more about the programs, I will click on our programs and I will see the different programs that the schools has to offer. Maybe I want to learn more about the social sciences, and I will click here and see more information. And if you want to connect them and give them much more information, we can all the time connect to the website. A simple click on this button will open the NoviSign creative, and within the creative we can open the website and things will start to move.
Can we surf inside the website which we see in that frame? Oh yes, we can.
So by simply using our fingers with this wonderful device with iAdea, you can just learn more everything you want to know about the school.
All right, thank you. This was very enlightening, and I hope to see you again at our website www.novisign.com.